Dear students, this is Umesh Sherke, Assistant Professor in Chemistry, Department of Chemistry, Arts, Science and Commerce College, Ramanand Nagar, Purli, Taluka Palus, District Sangli. So in previous lecture, we have discussed the fourth unit, that is introduction. Next is cycloalkane, their method of formations and the properties of that cycloalkane molecules. So next topic is for the discussion is chemical properties of cycloalkane. The chemical properties of cycloalkane are similar to those of the corresponding open chain compound in alkanes. So these are the saturated closed ring structure compounds. So they show the number of chemical reactions. So they have chemical properties. They react as same as that of saturated alkanes. So number one, that is photohalogenation. Photohalogenation of cycloalkane with halogen in presence of sunlight gives dihaloderivative of alkane. For example, when cyclobutane is subjected to the photohalogenation in presence of sunlight and halogen, preferentially chlorine, so it results into the formation of 1,2-dihalocyclobutane. So this substituted product is formed due to following the free radical mechanism. Next is the catalytic halogenations. So addition of halogen to the cycloalkane molecule in presence of a suitable catalyst. So that is called as the catalytic halogenation. In the absence of sunlight, cyclopropane can undergo addition reaction in which the ring is broken. For example, with bromine, cyclopropane gives 1,3-dibromopropane. So we see the cyclopropane is the first member of cycloalkane series. When this compound is treated with bromine, as this cyclopropane is very strained molecule, it wants to get relief by opening the rings. When this cyclopropane is reacted with bromine molecule in presence of Lewis acid, that is FeBr3, it undergo addition type of reaction. So this cyclopropane ring get open will use the 1,3-dibromocyclopropanes. Next is the catalytic hydrogenation. So addition of hydrogen is called as hydrogenation. So alkane react with the hydrogen in presence of catalyst nickel at 350 Kelvin and forms the corresponding alkane by ring opening reactions. So this cyclopropane is already a strained molecule. It wants to get relief by opening the rings. When this cyclopropane is subjected to the hydrogenation in presence of H2, that is hydrogen, and nickel as a catalyst at 350 Kelvin, it gives rise to propane molecules. So this propane molecule is formed by the opening of the ring of the cyclopropane molecules. Then effect of heat. When cycloalkane in presence of the catalyst platinum at high temperature decomposes to form the corresponding alkane. So this cycloalkane, when heated in presence of catalyst, so it results into the formation of propene with the elimination of H2 molecules. So this will give the alkene, that is open chain alkene molecule with the liberation of hydrogen molecule. Next is the reaction with hydrogen halides, that is HX, hydrohalogenation. So addition of hydrogen and halogen molecules to the cycloalkane is called as hydrohalogenation reactions. Cycloalkane react with halogen halides to form the corresponding haloalkane by ring opening reaction. We take an example, that is cyclopropane molecule. When reacted with HBr, hydrogen bromide, is subjected to heat, it gives the bromopropane. So this is the hydrohalogenation reactions. Next molecule is the cycloalkene. Cycloalkene are the next class of molecule. Alicyclic hydrocarbon containing one or more double bond are called as cycloalkene. Cycloalkene with minimum possible number gives to position of the double bonds. They are represented by the general formula CnH2n-2. So here we see the structure, that is cyclopropene, cyclobutene, cyclo-1,3-butadiene, then cyclohexane-1,4-diene, where the position of the molecule is seen. So these are the structures and IUPAC name of the compounds. Next is the method of formation from the cyclic compounds. So there are a number of methods are available for the formation of cycloalkene, but some are discussed here. So first one is Hofmann elimination reactions. Cyclopropene can be prepared from the trimethyl cyclopropyl ammonium hydroxide by Hofmann elimination reactions. When this is subjected to heat, it undergo elimination of water molecules and trimethylamine as a stable product. Tertiary amine get eliminated. It results into the formation of cyclopropene as a product. So this is the most popular name reaction in the organic chemistry or synthetic organic chemistry, that is Hofmann elimination reaction. By using these reactions, we can prepare the cyclopropane, a strain molecules, that is cycloalkene. Next, dehydrohalogenation of cycloalkane halides. When cycloalkane halide in presence of alcoholic KOH or potassium hydroxide gives the corresponding cycloalkene. For example, cyclopentane bromide in presence of alcoholic KOH gives the cyclopentane. So here we see when this molecule is treated with alcoholic KOH, it undergo dehydrohalogenation and result into the formation of cyclopentane as a product. Next, dehydration of cycloalkanols. The cycloalkanols undergo dehydration, generation of double bond in the ring cyclohexanol when treated with the concentrated sulfuric acids at 420 Kelvin from cyclohexene. When cyclohexanol is treated with concentrated sulfuric acid at 420 Kelvin, it undergo dehydration reaction. So that is removal of water molecule, and it results into the formation of unsaturation in the molecules, and it results into the formation of cyclohexene as a dehydrated products. Then chemical properties. This cycloalkene forms so many reactions, but some are discussed here. So first one is hydrogenation reaction. Cycloalkenes reacts with hydrogen in presence of catalyst to form cycloalkane. When cyclohexene is treated with hydrogen in presence of suitable catalyst, it results into the formation of cyclohexene hexane as a product. So next reaction is addition of halogens. So addition of halogen to the cycloalkene undergo addition type of reactions. So this reaction is always proceeds through the trans manners. So cyclopentane, when reacted with bromine, it undergo addition type of reactions. So it results into the formation of 1,2-dibromocyclopentane. Next is the addition of haloacids. Hydrogen acids adds to the cycloalkene to form the monohalocycloalkenes. When cyclohexene is reacted with HBr, it undergo addition reaction, so bromocyclohexane is formed. So this type of reaction is called as addition reaction, and it will use the bromocyclohexane as a product. So most popular example of the chemical reaction is the allylic halogenation. So allylic halogenation is not possible because the cycloalkene has an unsaturated, and it preferentially shows the addition reactions. But under suitable condition, sunlight and N-bromosuccinamide, cycloalkene undergoes substitution at hydrogen from allylic positions. So this is a specific reagent used for the allylic halogenation reaction, that is N-bromosuccinamide. So this N-bromosuccinamide always gives the allylic halogenation products. When cyclohexene is reacted with bromine in presence of sunlight and N-bromosuccinamide is a special reagent, so the incoming bromine not adds to the carbon-carbon double bond, it results into the formation of allylic bromination, and allylic halogenated product is formed. So that is called as bromocyclohexene. Thank you. So with this, we will discuss the cycloalkene and their method of formations, their chemical reactions. With this, we have completed cycloalkane and cycloalkene reaction of that. So two molecules is completed here. Thank you.